welcome back, viewers and subscribers to Ibania, where you get the latest in news on what's happening here in Jamaica. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and remember to subscribe, like, and share to speed up the news on the algorithm. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get new content when it's uploaded. Now, today was a bomb scare at several high schools in Jamaica. Now, I'm gonna let you listen to what the news is saying. Listen to the news and you give me your take in the comments on what is happening here in Jamaica. Now, this is happening too much, This is happening too much. First, I did the one in Amobia where this so-called guy come and threaten persons, and the whole of Amobia just shut down, right? The whole of Amobia shut down. Now them say them find some pipe bombs somewhere in the Kingston area, one container full of pipe bombs, and now is a next bomb scare. Now this is happening too often because we don't know what's going on here in Jamaica, But my views is a different view from what you have. So just share it in the comments and let's have a conversation. Now listen to the news. Well, my viewers and subscribers, that was a scary day today. It was a scary day. Imagine those parents, how frightened they were, running to get their children to safety. I don't know what's going on in Jamaica, man. Jamaica is not a real place, but it's real because we're there. Alright, my subscribers, thank you for participating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your comments. And just remember, the first 3 to subscribe and type in the comment section, I subscribe, get a shout out on the platform. Until next time, I ban, yeah.